Big news, Samsung fans, One UI 7 is about to hit our devices again, and it's happening way sooner than anyone expected. But before you rush the update, there's a twist you need to know about, and it could save your phone from a major headache. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. Don't forget to like this video, smash that subscribe button, and tap the bell so you don't miss any of the latest updates we've got lined up for you. Let's dive right in. So here's the inside scoop. After a short pause and everyone freaking out, Samsung just confirmed that the One UI 7 rollout is back on track. If you got a Galaxy S24, you're sitting in the front row, and honestly, it's about time. Behind the scenes, Samsung's been testing a new internal build called BYD9, and according to some pretty reliable leaks, it's just about ready for prime time. Files have already popped up on Samsung's servers, which usually means a full release is right around the corner. I'm talking days, not weeks. But why this sudden stop in the first place? Turns out some Galaxy S24 units, especially the ones powered by the Exynos 2400 chip, were throwing tantrums. We're talking random freezing, apps getting stuck, and overall just not what you'd expect from a flagship. Samsung fessed up to the issue and promised a hotfix. Good news! That fix has already been baked into the new version that's coming. Bad news? If you're the impatient type and already updated through a beta or early release, you might have noticed something weird creeping onto your screen. Yep, I'm talking about the dreaded green lines. They're not just rumors. Multiple users on social media have shared photos showing those ugly green streaks after installing the early versions of One UI 7. What's causing it? In simple terms, too much heat during the update fries tiny cables inside the display. If your phone was charging or even just running hot when you hit update, you're at way higher risk. Here's the trick to avoiding it. Charge your phone fully first, unplug it before you start the update, and let it chill for a bit if it feels warm. Resist the urge to scroll TikTok or doom scroll Twitter while it's updating. Just let it do its thing quietly. A little patience now could save you a massive repair bill later. Now, who's getting the update first? Samsung's rolling it out like a VIP party. Galaxy S24 series gets in first, followed closely by the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6. South Korea is kicking things off, then Europe and the US will follow almost immediately. If you're in India or other parts of Asia, hang tight, your invite's coming too. Quick heads up, depending on where you live, you might notice tiny differences in your version of One UI 7. Samsung sometimes tweaks regional builds based on carrier requirements or local regulations, so if your friend's update looks a little different than yours, don't panic, it's totally normal. Now, if you're rocking an older device like the Galaxy S22, Galaxy A23, or anything from that generation, you'll still get One UI 7. But you'll need to be extra careful with the update process. Older displays are way more sensitive to heat, and unfortunately, they're the ones most vulnerable to that green line nightmare. Not trying to scare you, just giving you the info you need to play it smart. Bottom line, One UI 7 is coming back with a bang. Smoother animations, updated widgets, better AI integration. Samsung's pulling out all the stops with this one. Just be a little cautious during installation, and you'll be ready to enjoy all the shiny new features without any nasty surprises. Are you hyped for One UI 7, or are you playing it safe and waiting a bit longer? Let's chat. Drop your thoughts down in the comments. As always, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're new, and tap the bell for more tech updates coming your way. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.